Hey, what's up, guys? This is Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. The first thing we're going to look at here is a chart of the market. This is the mini S&P 500 futures contract, front month in nature. Looking at a last print of 2664.50. Today's Friday, the 27th day of April. And it's been kind of an interesting week. We mentioned in our last video that we were a bull among the bears. Now, the bears had completely controlled the market over the previous 5 or 6 days. Ever since, the bulls had controlled the market over the prior 2 weeks, and we were actually, as mentioned, a bear among the bulls in our video on this day, and that we were going to be looking for some great sell-side setups. And the market did come down markedly lower, at which point, when the bears were in control, we became a bull among the bears. And of course, as has been the case, we've gotten a bounce over the last couple of days since our last video, about 3 days ago. And been an impressive bounce. But having said that, we're now painted in a corner. The trading opportunities are going to be a little less than clear at this point, because we're being squeezed into a triangle formation. And as you can see, we've got this trend higher here. We can go ahead and take it there to there. And then we've got this trend lower here. So we're getting painted into this corner. What's interesting is we're going to get another explosion like we've had here and like we've had here, and kind of a nice move there. But we're going to get a volatile explosion as the bulls battle the bears. So as it stands, we are still continuing to be, of course, bullish, as we became officially bullish in terms of the market, our market timing, at the beginning of April, 25.85. And so we're maintaining our bullish exposure. But look at this intermediate trend following support resistance that we're getting here. That is a lot of resistance. Look at these short-term 10 EMA and SMAs that we're getting here. That's an SMA, looks like. So the market has come right up to the SMA. It's just a very interesting setup. Now, having said that, how have our portfolios done? We were bearish up here on an unofficial intermediate term basis. As you can see over here, we were bearish there, got the move lower. We're bullish here. In fact, we can take a look at the video. So here was our video, last video, where we were a bull among the bears. And of course, that was around 26.12, 26.15, depending on where the market was. And we did get this nice bounce, but again, we're painted in a corner. The opportunities to profit are going to be impressive, to be sure, given the volatility. And even yesterday, we had some nice trades in the MADSC and MADSCDT. So the MADSC actually booked about $485 a contract. Beautiful trade set up there. And then the MADSCDT had a day trade position. That ended up being a day trade position, even though it was a swing trade in the DSC. The DSCDT had a nice, beautiful long setup right here, as we got this market sell-off here as the bulls are battling the bears. We expected the market to go higher, but you can see the sell-off was pretty impressive. So definitely looking to take. Look at this. So it's been a pretty good month for the DSCDT. $300 yesterday, $800 a couple of weeks ago, $805 before then. Not sure how much that was. Doesn't even have it listed. Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 winners in a row. So it's been a very good month for the DSCDT. Here's part of the DSC. Of course, the DSCDT is part of the DSC. $6,000 in gains there. In fact, we can look at. Here we go. So this is the. Well, actually, that's the DSC. So here's April for the DSCDT. Again, just launched April 1st. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 winners straight in a row for a gain. It's just a $5,000 account. Trades one contract. Margin $2,000. Definitely get started with $5,000 on the DSCDT. And as you can see, up 90% in a month. $4,521. Now, of course, these are hypothetical trades. The trades that we issued yesterday were hypothetical. We do factor in slippage and commission, but we have to state that they are hypothetical. This portfolio is not actually executed, but there's real time and it is live tracked, as you can see. And of course, you can auto trade this portfolio with the brokers. You can get email text alerts or email alerts. You can get text alerts to your cell phone or email alerts, or just have the broker do it for you. And so this is the performance. Now, after the subscription fee, which is currently on special, I believe it's $4.97 a quarter, or you can get an entire year of the DSCDT for $9.97. After fees, subscription fees, you're still looking at a gain of 70% after slippage, commissions, and fees. 70%. It just started in April 1st. Is when we had the relaunch of the MiniAnalyst.com. In fact, we go look at the MADSC. We can go over here. There we go. We were looking at the disclaimer there. We can look here. So this was so we'll click on the DSC and we can see up 41% on April, looks like 9th. And of course, as it stands now, the DSC $25,000 portfolio since April 9th is up another up 62% since the launch on April 1st. And after, so the annual subscription fee for the DSC is $24.97. I think there's a special on that now for $19.97 if I'm not mistaken. It's $6.97 a quarter. So that's the regular rate. $24.97 is $6.97 a quarter. You can get that for $19.97 a year right now after subscription fees. 52% has been the gain. As you can see, it's just been winner after winner after winner, and that's really what the DSC is about. It is about the winners. Trading Doubler had a nice gain yesterday, so that was impressive. We got this nice sell-off today as the markets are just battling. Again, the bulls are battling the bears. Doubler had a nice gain, but Marty did not have such a nice gain. In fact, we mentioned in the video, Marty had gone short, but the DSC was not going to take any part of that trade setup. And as you can see right here, the CRIP is in a long position. In fact, that was the DSC long. But went ahead and exited the what was to be a swing trade because just didn't like the dynamics. So that's the DSC. So if you're interested in some of these trading models, we have about 8 or so. If you're interested in combining them, you can trade anywhere from $5,000 to $25,000 up to $100,000. And if you were to combine all the portfolios, you would get the Platinum. And of course, this is 8 trading models. You get the Marty, Crypt, the Doubler, System 1.0, Mace, the Boost, Main, and the Select. So when you combine all those, this is kind of what you get. And of course, these models have been ongoing for 10, 15 years. No curve fitting, certainly no optimization. If you don't make money, we don't make money. And so there you go. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to go to the website, chat with support team live, or shoot us an email to admin@MiniAnalyst.com. And hope you're having a great trading day, and hope you guys have a great weekend. So we will see you next time.